Hello, good morning, children. Today I'm going to give you some overview of your chapter that is Rise of Nationalism in India, last portion. And hopefully you are revising. Whenever tomorrow we have our next online class, and I'll ask a question from this chapter only, and that's why I'm going to give you one timeline regarding that important events. 1915, when Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa after completing his degree of advocate from there. 1916, Gandhiji travelled to Champaran, peasant against the oppressive plantation system. Like indigo, you know that Indian peasants were forced to grow indigo, and 1/4 of their land, and there it is compulsion. It has its two side effects. One is it is not needed at all in India. It was whole sole profit of the Britishers. They need it. And second, wherever this indigo plants are grown, that where it is somewhere it loses land, it loses its fertility. Land loses its fertility. So that is also one bad point for them. And 1917 was the second step of that Satyagraha movement. 1916 was the first step when Satyagraha movement was launched. In 17, Gandhiji organized Satyagraha in Kheda district of Gujarat, where peasants were asked not to pay any type of revenue. That was irrelevant revenue was collected by the Britishers. In 1918, Gandhiji went to Ahmedabad, where Ahmedabad, Gujarat, mill workers organized their strike against the tax. In other way, it is known as no tax campaign also. Then 1918 and 19, distressed Uttar Pradesh peasants organized by Baba Ramchandra, mean to say during this Satyagraha movement and before Gandhiji launched NCM, in between there was Baba Ramchandra. Sannyasi movement, it is known as in the history, Sannyasi movement, right? So there this, and after that this movement, all the Kisan Sabha, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लैंड, हमने NCM में पढ़ा हुआ है, तो दैट इज़ रिलेटेड. एंड 19 खिलाफत कमेटी वॉज फॉर्म्ड इन बॉम्बे. This committee organized one hartal against Rowlatt Act, and 1919 Jallianwala Bagh massacre also took place, right? So that is full incident happened in Amritsar. General Dyer, you know, and you know that in 1920 Gandhiji convinced leaders to start a non-cooperation movement and a khilafat as well as for Swaraj in Calcutta Congress session. Where this was taken idea from Gandhiji's book Hind Swaraj, right? I mean to say they are cooperating, non-cooperation movement they are doing because Indians are cooperating them. Then non-cooperation and Khilafat movement was launched in 1921, and 1922 incident of Chora Chori took place, where due to that 22 policemen were killed, and due to that NCM was called off, बंद कर दी थी गांधी जी ने, because it was against Gandhiji's ideology. Then 19 it was incident in Chora Chori, due to which that this cooperation was, non-cooperation movement was withdrew. And 1924, very important figure we have discussed, Alluri Sitaram Raju, in the different ranks of NCM, arrested, ending 2-year armed 2-year armed struggle. 2 year armed tribal 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 struggle. 2 year armed So in this way, dear students, 1924 Alluri Sitaram Raju was arrested for this struggle, whatsoever he was doing at local level, right, in his South Indian village Kanthapura. There is one English novel also, Kanthapura, where whole story regarding Raju Sitaram Alluri has been depicted, how he is leading this national movement, as it is movement led by Gandhiji at national level, and he is doing all the things at his local level in his village Kanthapura. Novel is Kanthapura name. Then 1927 Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce was formed. It is in CDM, ठीक है, जिसे हम फिक्की बोलते हैं. Ficky nation was formed by big industrialists. There was a somewhat dispute issue between big industrialists and this movement, because this movement was regarding that import was totally banned, but these industrialists wanted that there should be import from other countries, especially from Britain, and so that they can make their product finally and send their goods and services to the market. That was also very important point here. Then 1928, very important, in between when CDM and NCM was called off and CDM is to be launched. So Simon Commission arrived in India. Hindustan Socialist Republic Army was also formed. The Hindustan Socialist Republic Army was also formed. Here youngsters were there, young youth was there. And 1929, very important year once again, Lord Irwin announced a vague offer of Dominion status. Dominion status means to say semi-autonomous country with the British Empire, that is also called British Commonwealth countries. Right, उसने ये ऑफर दिया था, वेग ऑफर दिया था when this two nation theory was going on. They want to pacify somehow the Indian Muslims, right? So Congress adopted that पूर्ण स्वराज. लाहौर सेशन हुआ था, वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट इसमें इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का. 1930 डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर established depressed classes association, because when this CDM was going on, in हमने limitations में पढ़ा था, there were some limitations. Some were not happy with this with this movement, right? So that was that Pune Pact was also signed there. Civil disobedience movement, Dada Saheb Phalke 1932 and 1930 B.R. अम्बेडकर अपनी एक उन्होंने डिप्रेस्ड क्लास एसोसिएशन एस्टैब्लिश की थी. ओके, हाँ. गांधी जी एंडेड सिविल disobedience movement. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed and second round table conference was called in 1931. 1931 is also once again very important year for Indian freedom struggle. At that time first CDM was launched in 1930. Then it was closed in between, lost its momentum due to different circumstances. 1931, in 1932 once again it was launched with full-fledged force with other classes also. 1931 three major events were there. Civil disobedience movement was ended, Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed, and second movement. So in this way, that 1932 and all these dates are very important for your exams. Like you know that this time you have once again exams of this objective type case study. That's why I am explaining the dates in detail once again. Now I have selected some important terms also for you people. That is begar. It is labor that villagers were forced to do irrelevantly. मीन टू से जो काम वो करने के एलिजिबल है उनसे अगेंस्ट उनसे काम करवाया जा रहा है. दैट इज़ वेरी बैड थिंग. बेगार करवाना मीन टू से बेगार, बिना किसी पैसे के दिए लिए वहाँ से काम करवाना लोगों से. बाइकॉट mean to say to cut the social relations, political and economic. Indians do that with Britishers, that they associated themselves that not to participate the activities, not to buy and sell things, and under this NCM, a movement of boycott and Swadeshi was launched. Right here, I would like to mention one incident when this was launched by Gandhiji. At that time, Srimati Indira Gandhi was very younger. She even having some dolls from foreign countries. You know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was frequently going and coming from there. They have good relation with their some purpose. They used to visit, and from there there is one letter also, important letter written on the name of इंदिरा गांधी, इंदिरा प्रियदर्शनी, हिंदी में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. तो उसमें उसके बाद बहुत अच्छे टॉयज़ थे, डॉल्स थे. तो शी वॉज वंस किसिंग हर ऑल द डॉल्स एंड टॉयज़, बट इन द एंड बीइंग सो यंग एंड क्यूट, शी आल्सो पुट हर ऑल द टॉयज़ एंड डॉल्स इनटू दैट बॉनफायर. लोगों ने क्या किया था, घरों के बाहर जितना भी उनके पास फॉरेन का सामान था, एवरीथिंग दे हैव पुट इनटू फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, and a big bonfire was, huge bonfire was burnt over there to show their political agitation that we are not happy with this system, we don't want this thing. Then force recruitment, it was also very very important during First World War. सिंपली अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो उनका ये था कि ठीक है, इंडियंस को पकड़ के फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार में ब्रिटिशर्स की तरफ से लड़वाया जाए, फाइट करवाई जाए. अगर दे वर इंडियंस वर नॉट ऑफ नो वैल्यू फॉर दैम, दे वर थिंकिंग ठीक है अगर मरेंगे तो इंडियन मरेंगे, हमारा क्या लेंगे, हार भी गए तो जीत भी गए. अगर बट दे हैव गिवन दिस प्रॉमिस टू इंडियंस दैट इफ़ वी आर द विनर विल फ्री यू फ्रॉम आवर क्लचेस, यू विल बी फ्री, India would be free from British colonialism. That was there. But and then there was Gudam Hills. It was also under NCM. उसमें जो मैंने आपको बताया था गोरिल्ला मूवमेंट है, राइट. सीताराम अलूरी राजूवारी है, प्लांटेशन इन वर्कर्स. तो गुडम रिबेल्स वर देयर, दे फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश हिल्स, दे मेड देयर रिबेल अगेंस्ट द these Britishers. And because these Britishers forced them not to enter the forest, even don't to make hunting over there, don't to collect forest products. And regarding hunting, very important story is there. I'm telling you just the Indians were prohibited not to hunt only for their livelihood, but Britishers can hunt their animals for the sake of fun, for enjoyment. There is one picture I have read anywhere that 400 tigers were killed by one king over there, but Indians were not allowed to go there, collect forest product, use forest product for their livelihood. So that was also very humiliating situation over there. Indented labor, something like that, forced labor, right? They want to increase their production due to First World War as well as import and export purpose. There also they were asked to do forcibly whatsoever work is not of their field. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, you know that big incident in innocent people were killed by General Dyer, and that General Dyer afterward killed by whom? You have to see that is one statue in our city also regarding that person. जनरल डायर से किसने बदला लिया था जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर का, दैट यू हैव टू आंसर. देन मार्शल लॉ, व्हेन एवर देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट, पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़, British government used to impose martial law. Under this law, like ordinary laws are suspended and government can do whatsoever it wants. Martial law. Then picket, a form of demonstration or protest by which people block the entrance of a shop or factory of office. It was during almost all the movement except that Satyagraha, NCM and CDM, their picket was there. So in this way, dear students, we have ended this chapter and my previous video regarding sense of collective belonging, image of Bharat Mata, And please do take care. I will put question from this chapter only tomorrow in your Viva. Bye. Take care. Be happy.